What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Lab. Today we are going to be installing some extended studs on our wheel spacers. First step is to press out all the studs on the spacer. Next, we're going to use a stud install tool to drive the stud into the spacer. Once the extended stud is seated, we can go ahead and install it back onto the car. So we're just going to go ahead and bolt that back to the hub and install the wheel. Now the main reason why we went with extended studs was to allow for additional thread engagement for our lug nuts, as well as making it easier to install and remove wheels. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.